Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the left, this one go to the right, and we have like this. Next, I will put this one go to the left, side to y go to the right. Next, we need to multiply both sides by negative number 1. Now, we have s and first derivative of s. This is about linear differential equations. So we need to find about integrating factor. So we need to find mu y equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative cosine y next to s. This is for integrating factor. So I will put this one gone here. And this one we have negative sine y. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we need to use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to 8b. So the integration of that one, that is about se to the power of negative sine y. Now, we need to concentrate on this one. Sine to y, that is about 2 sine y cosine y. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. And now, I will put about u equals to negative sine y. Because we don't have the negative in here, so I will put this one go to the left. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative du equal to cosine y dy. So this one we change for u, sine y we change for negative u, cosine y dy we change for negative du. So I will put negative number 1. So negative and negative, we have positive. And now we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to 2u. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2 du dv, that is about this one. The integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of u. So we have t multiplied by v, so we have 2u e to the power of u minus we have the t multiplied by v. So this one, we have the integration 2e to the power of u du. The integration of this one, that is about number 2e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about negative sine y. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.